Hi guys, on our last video we added the cement item to our inventory, but we haven't yet set the tax bracket and it needs for sales and purchases, and today we'll be fixing that. So taxes are the backbone of any accounting, and to ensure every sale you make is tax compliant, we need to create an item tax template that will be used. To achieve this, there are several ways that I will show you. There's the easiest way out, and there's the way that you can just go through the modules and you'll be able to see whatever you want to work on. So the first is you can go through the accounting module, come here, go to tax masters, and as you can see we have a couple of things to use. We have the item tax template, tax category, tax rules with tax withholding category. But let us use the fastest route, which is mostly the awesome bar. I get it, we are inside the accounting module, but it's easier when we get to use the search bar, because everything you need you can be found here. So search for item tax template list, then add a new template, name the tax template, and you can call it like VAT 16%. Select the company that will be using this, and we created the company GT Construction Limited before. So tax, let's say VAT, then tax rate, we'll say it's 16%. This is the standard VAT for most items in Kenya, but if your country has a different standard, you'll just use that. So hit save. Done. So let's go back, or even before we go back, we can just create the tax category. Let's create the tax category. Tax category. You'll see in the end, I'll show you how it works. So there are a couple of categories that we can be using, and there's transactional category. This is where now the standard VAT, zero rated and exempted tax fall in. Transaction category. Hit save. So let's go back to the items. I want to add the last video we created an item or the product cement as one of the items. So let's go back to items and let's add that. So once you're inside the cement, you come here to tax, you add a row, select the tax template that you just created. What you see here is Kenya tax, and then the BR or BSL. These are the short forms for the companies, but we created a different company. We called it, we created a company, and it's VAT. We created the template, tax template VAT 16% for GT Construction Limited. So which category, which was the one we created, say, and when would you like the tax to be working? So let's just say it will be February or 28th of February. The minimum rate, no need, say 16 or 16%. So hit save. Good. So now we've just created our tax template, and what that means is by doing this, our ERP will automatically now apply the correct tax whenever this item is added in the invoice. So no more manual calculations and no more errors. Your system now is ready to handle professional compliant transaction at scale. And in the next video, we'll be focusing on sales order. Our tax is set, finally ready to sell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.